Welcome. So today we're going to go over how to lubricate a lot of those squeaky wheels and casters that you have around the house, whether it's in the kitchen or in the garage. So first off, we're going to show how to use our Precision Shot Ultimate Oil to lubricate this caster we have on a chair that's squeaking and not rolling very nice. So we're going to use our black tip on our Ultimate Oil. We can get it in a nice tight spot and place just the amount of material we get in there, and then rotate the wheel. And next we're going to use our Precision Shot moly lithium grease to get in this caster on this cart. And you can see we can get the we're going to use a yellow tip in there because it's a little bit larger. Get in there, place a little bit of grease on the shaft in there, and rotate it, and we got it lubricated. Then once you're finished, just take the yellow scabbard tip cap that goes back on the yellow tip and put it back on it and place it back in the case. Close the case, and you're ready to go. So now we're on to a caster that we have on a piece of exercise equipment, and we're going to use our Ultimate Oil along with our small black tip, and just simply pull off the tip cap we had on it earlier. Place the tip into the very tight spot on the caster. It allows you to put the oil in there. Lightly press on the plunger and put a little bit of oil in there. Then simply pull it back just a little bit, just to pull the oil back out of the tip a little bit. Place the black tip cap back on the tip and place it back in the case. Nice and easy and clean. And close the case, and we're off to the next one. And now we're off to a larger wheel on a dolly, and we're going to use our white lithium grease with our large pink tip, and it allows us to get the grease once again in there on the shaft. Put a little bit of white lithium grease in there from Precision Shot. Place it. We're going to spin the wheel a little bit, and we're pretty much finished up. If we need to, we can put the tip cap back on the white lithium grease, place it back in the case, close the case, and once again, we're off to the next one. And now we're off to the wheelbarrow. We're going to use our black moly lithium grease with our yellow tip, which is our medium size tip. The greases usually work best with the pink or the yellow tip. You want to go with the larger ones if you can, but in this case we have a kind of a tighter spot. We want to get the grease back in there, so you can see us inserting the tip in there and putting the grease back in there way back inside. And once we're finished up with that, we can either put the tip cap back on the yellow tip and put it back in the case. But a lot of these greases don't leak. They're a thicker material, so you don't really have to worry about them leaking too awful much. But if you want to, put the tip cap back on it. Or you could take the actual yellow tip off and put it back in the case. And you're done. You can use a paper towel and wipe it off if you like. Put it back in the case, and you're all finished up. And you can visit us at our website at precisionshot.com. You can purchase both our kits that come with the case that you saw in this video, as well as individual items on our website. Thank you.